up, we watched a scary movie. We're still in the middle of watching it, but we were hungry. Ordered this delicious food, and I don't know what we're doing today, but we shall see. But I don't know what I'm saying. Alright, I have you guys on top of a sippy cup right now, but I'm just getting ready for the day. Putting on a little bit of makeup so I look a little less dead. My go-to foundation when I travel is Infallible Pro Matte. Infallible Pro Matte. I also really like Infallible Pro Glow. I'm actually almost done with this, so I wanted to finish it up. I did prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It's one of my favorite primers. Yesterday I was doing my makeup using my phone as a mirror, but I didn't realize that the bathroom had a makeup mirror. So now I'm doing my makeup properly. Alright. I really need to go home and do a facial because I slept with my makeup on 2 nights in a row and I don't feel that great about it. I don't know, just this coronavirus is really freaking me out. Honestly, I'm really scared that I caught it. We have been in large crowds with a lot of people and you don't know who's infected. I'm actually very terrified and I'm going to be paranoid for the first 2 weeks when we get back to New York because apparently symptoms don't show until 2 to 3 weeks. So, I don't know, if I get it, like, and if I feel a little bit sick, I'm definitely going to the doctor ASAP. They have to quarantine me, apparently, rather than living with it, infecting other people, and getting more sick that, you know, it causes death. Okay, now I'm just going to use some brow gel and some brow tint. This is Unbelievable Brow by L'Oreal Paris. It's just a brow tint. I'm just gonna tint them up a little. This is my favorite lip liner to use with a lot of colors. As you can see, I almost sharpened all of it out. Just a really pretty mauvey pink color that I like to wear with almost every lip color. And then I'm just gonna wear one of my favorite liquid lipsticks, Matte Beige from the Pixie by Petra collection, which you can find at Target, online. I love this collection a lot. It's affordable and it's great quality. I think that's all I want to wear today. I don't want to wear mascara or anything just because I'm going to be traveling at night. Just something that will make me look a little presentable. This looks good. And of course we've got to sanitize the hands because of this corona. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my clothes on. I honestly might just keep this hoodie on because it's really cold outside. Lighting is so lit. I really love this window. Ugh, I just love views like this. Forward focus. Oh yeah. Probably can't hear me, but currently we're walking to Cholula Gardens and Space Needle because apparently they're right next to each other. It's a 25-minute walk, but it's actually nice today. It's not that cold and it's sunny. So yeah. So cute. Anyways, it is time to end this mini vacation. This vacation is basically over. We're at Seattle Tacoma International Airport waiting to board our flight. And yeah, it was honestly an amazing weekend. Don't make me late.